張 ，no no no！屌你啊，張！有冇搞錯啊你？你咪黐線啊！大笨象點樣過河啊？我個大笨象可以過河啊！真係食屎啊！啊！你嫌命長啊！我殺咗你啊！仆街！你講乜？你試下，試下！我試下，我殺你！我殺你個雞！我殺你個狗！我乜都殺啊！我殺你個大笨象！死仔啊！仆街！屎忽鬼！你老豆係個屎忽鬼啊！
我哋真係唔需要搭情話。
唔使啦，3條 link，翻去俾你哋知道成個系統啊。
係喎。你想點啊？
我哋照舊，你入去先，我喺後邊住住你。
OK
我數
OK。
1、2、3，我哋衝入去。1、2、3。
屎忽鬼！你老豆中意食臘腸啊！我係大佬啊！我大佬啊點啊？細佬過嚟啊！乜嘢？
有冇少少錢俾我？
行開！CID！Kenny！
喂，你去咗邊度
我
啊？
喺後邊幫鞋帶啊！一企起身唔知我喺邊啊
OK， 我喺呢邊，你喺嗰邊。
！Rock and roll！
喂！
忍決定忍，為了明日吞憤怒，冷眼對着雷暴雨暴，由頭自然尋着去做，將艱辛當熱身，做得更好。憑着熱血與勇氣面對挑戰，戰鬥性格殺出血路，奮發氣魄共青天去比高。我要衝霄飛躍，我要衝出驚路，趕走同類暴雨，我要上青天，雲裏踏寬步。
Club, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that short film. We put a lot of work into that one. So please comment, like, share it, subscribe. Before we sign off today, I'd like to do a couple shout outs to some very special Martial Club fans. I'd like to give a shout out to Momo, Dario Suzman, Christian Ames, Enrique Avila, Nathan, Emmanuel Rodriguez, Marina Ham. Thank you so much for your generous contribution to Martial Club. And last but not least, Ming House, Ming Tan, thank you guys so much. You guys keep doing what you're doing, and we wish you the best of luck in China. It's so good to see other groups striving to keep martial arts alive today, and we really appreciate that from the bottom of our hearts, Martial Club. Right now we're working on so many projects, so many crazy things went down, and I wish I could just tell you guys right now, but I can't. I gotta keep it on the DL. So please be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. If you guys enjoyed our short film, you guys can always support us on Patreon. The Martial Club shirts are for sale. Links to everything in the description below. Alright, Martial Club out! Yes!